Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Judy from Judinka Nailart, and these are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. Stay tuned to the end to see the individual photos. For my base, I chose this Essence the Gel nail polish in the shade Dream On. To stamp, I'll use my red Bundle Monster polish called Fireside. I'll stamp from the Nicole Diary plate ND112 and the Ejiubas Sarah R2 plate with my black polish called Straight Up Black. Now that the tablecloth is ready, we can stamp our little ants on top. I use a Sharpie marker to create little lines. To seal in the design, I use my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. The No Smudge top coat works really well on the black stamping, which is really dark, but look what it did to the Sharpie marker. So I'm going to use my Seche Dry Fast top coat instead and apply a very generous amount. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Don't forget to check the description box where I'll have links to everybody's video. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.